Alright, so antayin muna natin na mag-join yung mga friends natin dito na nag-aabang sa FB Live ko. So meanwhile, prepare ko muna yung Instagram chart ko while nag-aantay pa tayo. Right, so ayan, mayroon nang nag-join. So welcome sa mga joiners. So while the others are still joining, I'm preparing my screen para sa ating update for VITA. Right, so ayan. So mayroon ng mga nag-join at una sa lahat ay binabati ko kayo ng magandang Friday. So Friday is fly day. So unfortunately bukas may work pa ako kasi I need to work on a Saturday in replacement for a Monday off para sa sa Tuesday namin na work gagawin bali kailangan naming magtrabaho tomorrow. But this is just a special occasion. This is not happening always. All right, so ayan. So I don't know if you have maybe some of you have already have positioned in VITA. Some of you are still waiting for dip para maka-enter sa VITA at a much lower price. So ayan. So I hope that this live session will somehow guide you and help you. So before anything, before we continue, I would like to remind everybody that this is not about the goal of this live video is not about to hype any stock. So ang purpose ko dito, ang goal ko is that gabayan ko yung mga somehow yung mga newbies na kapapasok pa lang sa stock market. At nang sa gayon ay maiwasan natin yung maagang pagkalugi, especially sa mga newbie. So for those who are already amateurs and professionals, maybe this might not really help you a lot kasi you already know many things about trading. So I'm more concerned about those people who are still not so confident enough in the market. All right, so again, this is not to hype any stock. What I want to present here is just fair analysis of what I can see from the chart from VITA. All right, so para sa mga ka-join pa lang, paki-comment na lang kung galing kayo saan para naman makita ko kung hanggang saan inaabot itong live FB ko. So here in Budapest, it's only almost 4 p.m. in the afternoon. And I know that in Philippines, it's already 10 p.m. So major late at night, but if this might be useful to you, then that's okay to stay late. And anyway, it's Friday, right? So I hope also that klarong-klaro yung boses ko dito at paki-comment na lang kung malinaw ba talaga or kailangan kong lakas-lakasan pa yung aking voice. Alright, so hindi na tayo magpaligoy-ligoy pa. Okay, may taga Makati. Wow. So, ayan. So, good evening sa inyo dyan sa mga nasa Pilipinas. Alright, so ayun guys, dito tayo sa chart ng VITA. So as you may all know, there is really that catalyst that pushed the market price of VITA to skyrocket. So makikita nyo naman, di ba? Okay, pag i-one day chart ko muna to, makikita nyo na talagang flat na flat from this part. I don't know which date is it. Okay, so yan ang problema ni ni Investrium kasi hindi masyadong pinapakita yung date pag naka-zoom. So ito yun, from here, even from the start of this year, flat na flat si VITA. So there was really that catalyst that pushed this price higher. So from this date, so ano yung date na yan? So that was April 6. Diyan nag-umpisa yung magandang rally ni VITA. Right. So, pero kung napansin naman natin na nagkaroon talaga ng sell-off today. At this is very significant. This is not just a simple pullback. Pero kasi mataas yung candle eh. So, as you can see also, from the upper part of the candle, the last candle, the wick is quite long. So, almost more than 1/4 of the whole candle was the wick. Right, so from this April 4 up to this day, which is 2 days ago, dyan yung talagang todo na pag-rally ni VITA. And after that, nagkaroon na ng signs na nagkakaroon ng profit taking. At kapansin-pansin naman, so i-delete ko muna to ha. Kasi dito sa second to the last candle, it rallied until 4.20. But there was already that selling pressure. So yan ang ito guys, this is really not something new. Maybe for those newbies or mga amateurs are this kind of behavior na after some time yung stock na nag-skyrocket, nagkakaroon ng ganito. For us who are already in the market for quite a long time, this is not something new. Kasi if you will notice, this is the first how do you say this, consolidation. Second consolidation. Pag mag-third consolidation na guys, beware. So, yung point ko dito is that pag makita kayo ng isang stock, lalo na yung pinag-uusapan na sa FFB group, sa news or kung saan-saan, dito na dadali yung mga newbie kasi pag nakita na pinag-uusapan na at tina-hype na or marami nang nagpo-post ng kanilang mga gains sa isang stock, marahil ay nandito na yan sa later stage. So, yung mga newbie, yung tendency is to enter at this price, hoping that or thinking that this price will still continue to skyrocket. Remember guys that in trading, there is that part called psychology, market psychology, that you always need to think, always need to consider that yung mga big investors, traders and institution traders, nakapasok na sila sa stage pa lang nito, might be here or here, and their mode or their mindset now is when to sell. So kung ikaw isa kang newbie, papasok ka pa lang dito kasi nakita mo sa isang FB group na marami nang nakaka-gain ng mga 10%, 15%, 20%, pasok ka rin. So mag-ingat na po tayo. So always remember at inuulit-ulit ko to in every FB live na ginagawa ko na we need to be there before the stock skyrockets, not after it skyrockets. First consolidation is still okay to enter. Second consolidation, maybe na tayo, ingat-ingat. Pero pag third consolidation na, kung nahuli ka na sa pasok, huwag na tayong pumasok. Much better. So the best thing to do is to wait until it drops to a certain level and you see a significant bounce of that stock price. Plus volume is also, it's not only about, by the way, the volume, the price, but there should be significant amount of volume that is rising. You can use OBB or on balance volume for that. All right, so yan, that is my advice for those newbies na hype or nakakapasok sa isang stock at a late stage. So aralin nyo guys yung tinatawag na market cycle or yung market cycle, at there is also such kind of thing as cycle of a bubble. So nangyayari din to sa cryptocurrency guys, actually in any market. So pag makikita na kayo ng second or third rally, ingat na guys. So sa third rally, much better avoid na. Pero but if you can see really a justifiable reason to enter, then you may enter. But kung enter ka lang dahil nakita mo yung iba na nagpo-post ng matataas na gains sa any Facebook groups, then that kind of reason is very, how do you say, not so logical. Right, so ngayon naman, i-convert natin yung chart natin into 1 hour para makita natin yung talagang mga nangyari. Right, before that, I need to remove this drawing tool. Alright, so ayan. So nakita nyo naman na na-break niya yung moving average na 21. So the next na tatargetin niya ay itong EMA 50. Pag hindi mag-bounce dyan, or okay, so first thing that can happen is to bounce here. Pag mag-bounce here, you need to consider that is there already a volume, significant volume that is coming into this market, to this stock. Then in that case, it's good to enter. But if it is not, then you should not enter. Alright, so itong 50-day exponential moving average is serving as a dynamic support. And in fact, that is in confluence with this previous this previous resistance. So almost in confluence. So kung ibaba ko dyan sa may body, talagang ano na siya, talagang nasa area na yan, yung support na yan, yung support ng using 50 exponential moving average is in confluence with this resistance. Right, so in that case, it's possible for that stock to bounce here. But using price candlesticks naman, makikita naman na talagang significant yung sell-off dito. So in that case, isipin nyo na lang na those traders na naka-enter here or here at the second consolidation or second retracement are taking profit now. So how much profit is that? So malaki-laki yan. So kung galing dito up to that point, that is 71% gains, guys. So yung mga institution investors or traders or kahit mga retail traders, hindi nila pakakawalan yung profit na yan. So at this level, this is really time to take profit. So what about kung measure natin yung kung nasa second retracement lang. Okay. Teka lang. So from here, so let's say nakapasok ka dito sa breakout up to here. That is really a decent amount of profit, almost 30%. So malaki din yan, guys. Kahit 10%, di ba? Malaki na. So much more, 30%. So isipin nyo na lang, guys, na their mindset is really to take that profit whenever they can see weakness of the trend. So ano ba yung weakness na yun? The first sign is this. So the first RC, ito yung sign. So yung tinatalakay ko yun, guys, is really how to analyze the market, the price chart using price action trading. Price action trading. So yan, no, nag-rally until umabot ito ng 4.22, but there was a selling pressure that drops the stock price up to the middle of the candle. So yung selling pressure niya malakas. At you can say that it's very strong kasi mataas yung wick niya eh. The length of the wick defines also that there is a huge amount of selling here. The next is further, yung next candle nag-open at this level where nag-open siya dito. Then it drops significantly down. Although there was really a buying pressure, but that pressure of buying was not so huge. So the volume of that is much lower. So in that case, yung balance ng selling at saka buying is hindi equivalent or parang nagiging unbalanced. So mas mataas na ngayon yung selling, di ba? Kasi dito, yan. So, ayan, no. So, ito yung next candle naman, yung nagja-justify ng another selling pressure. dahil sa mataas na body ng candle na yan. So nag-open dito at hinatak yung price pababa. So these are really significant signs na pwede na mag-reverse yung stock. Plus ito pa. So kung makakita ka na ng ganitong mga formation na matataas na yung wick sa above, parang mayroon na siya, choppy market na siya at this point. Look at this here. Compare mo yan dito. Maliliit lang yung ano niya, wick sa taas, di ba? It means that the selling pressure is not so strong. But here, it's so strong, guys. So, ayan. So, anong nangyari? Yan, malakas yung selling pressure na pagkatapos. At kung drawing ka naman dyan ng, ng trend line, so, from here to here, so, okay, marahil, if you are a fan of trend lines, we still have some chance na magbabounce pa. Diba? But this is a 1-hour chart. I always used to use a higher time frame in case of trend lines. Okay, wait. So ayan. So 4-hour. So ayan, mayroon pa talagang chance na bumagsak pa siya. Kasi yung trend line nandito eh. So mayroon pa tayong space dyan, which corresponds also to somehow to this support. So either here or here at that support. So pag mabasag yan, break yan, saan yung susunod? So kung 4-hour time frame yung ginagamit mo, it's a bit deeper. So dito yung susunod. Kasi and this one is really in confluence to this resistance here. So ayan, back to the 1-hour chart. Ayan. So ngayon, nalaman na natin yung mga pwedeng puntahan ng price. So either here or here. So you need to check whether this one breaks, and if it breaks down, then here. And if it further breaks, then you need to make another support here. At pag ma-break pa yan, so delikado na yan. You can use your 200-day moving average as well. So ito yun, dito yung 200-day moving average. So yan ang last line of defense natin in terms of 1-hour chart. So, pero mga ganitong klase ng volatile stock, ayan, 1 hour can really tell you many things as well. So, for short-term traders. All right, so ano pa? What else can we say here? Okay. Balik muna ako dito sa 1 day. So, ayan. So, okay. So, nakalimutan ko. So, tingnan naman natin yung mga indicators. So, sa mga indicators naman, ito naman yung para sa mga fan of using indicators. Diba? So, tingnan natin yung last candle na saan nagsimula yung sign of selling pressure. Diba? Ito yun. Itong candle na yan. So, i-maximize ko muna. Ito yun. Diba? So, tandaan lang. So, ayan. So, drawing naman ako ng vertical lines para i-mark ko yung mga points na kung saan aligned yung candle na yan with the indicators. At isa-isahin natin. So, from here, guys, you will learn what are those signs na magre-reverse or magkakaroon ng sell-off. So, ayan So, dito pa nga lang mayroon ng sign kasi from this higher high to this higher low. So, mayroon tayo na drawing na descending trend line. Diba? So, this is from the money flow index. Money flow index is showing to us where the money is moving. If this direction is going down, then it means that there is selling. If it is going up, then there is huge or there is buying pressure. So this one, as you can see, from here to here, that's really a significant buying pressure there, right? So after that, nagkaroon na ng dropping slowly. Okay, dito naman, this is the stochastic. So, ayan, naging overbought na yung stock. At ngayon naman, papunta na sa baba. Diba? So, ayan naman, yung ano yan, stochastic. Yung volume naman, kung titingnan nyo, pag nagkaroon ng skyrocketing, yung volume ngayon nag-i-increase, di ba? But, kung nagkakaroon naman ng profit taking, pabagsak naman yung volume. Ayan, at significant di ba? Kasi masasabi nating magpapatuloy pa rin yung kanyang pagtaas kapag ma-break nito yan, yung trend na yan. Pag hindi, pwede yung bumagsak palalo. So, ayan. Ito pa, RSI. So ito, sign na to ng pagbagsak I mean, magre-reverse. At ayun nga, nag-drop siya. Ito naman, MACD. So ayun, meron tayong crossover dito ng MACD signal tsaka signal line. Although dito mayroon pero yun isa itong false signal ng MACD. So not all indicators are created perfect. Sometimes it also gives us some false signal. Kasi kung nag-sell ka dito, taas pala, di ba? Kaya nga, should not be relying only into one indicators. So, kuha ka din ng iba pa. So, ayan, ito very significant kasi by the way, kung mapapansin nyo, nandito yung blue line natin, di ba? This is that point na kung saan nagsimula yung sell-off. Yung mayroon ng sign ng sell-off dito yon. So, ang problema ni MACD is that nadidelay siya. Delay yung kanilang signal. Kaya nga, one of those disadvantage of using indicators only is that you will make your actions a little bit late already. Especially kapag day trading or short-term trading, medyo delayed yung action. But if you are using price action trading, dito pa lang nakapag-react ka na. Dito or dito. Yung MACD line or MACD signal, late na. Dito pa sa dito na sa so delayed siya. Alright, so DMI naman. So ito naman yung niya, yung kanyang ADX component ng DMI. Meron yung DI plus, DI minus. So kung makikita nyo yung direction ng ADX, although it's still above 30, but this is now pointing downwards. So kung maglagay ka dito ng trend line up to here, na-break na dito, then now DMI is pointing downward. So, yan. That's one sign. At ito din, yung blue component ng DMI, pabagsak. At worst case scenario is if it crosses this yellow one. So, which means that the sellers are now under control at a 1 hour time frame. Alright, so ayan. So yan lang naman yung masasabi ko about VITA. So kung mayroon kayong mga katanungan or mga concerns, let me know and I will get back to you. So just comment on the video that I will upload, or you can for those who could not watch this video, you can rewatch it in my YouTube channel. Just go to YouTube and type in my name. And then you will find my channel here. And please don't forget to like and subscribe so you'll be able to be notified on new uploads, new videos that I'm creating. So for those newbies, I think this is very, very useful. So hindi ko masyadong pinakukomplikado yung aking mga presentations dito kasi we don't need to make trading in the market very complicated. Actually, most of the traders who are profitable and wealthy are making their trades very simple. Alright? So, ayan. So, ayan. Mayroon talaga mga nag-participate ngayon kahit parang lang to, ad hoc. So, ayan. Batiin muna natin mga kababayan natin. So, ayan. Marami. Joseph, Manny, Fred, Markil, Adelaida, wow, Wahid. So I'm very glad guys that you joined on my FB Live today. So talagang marami yung mga kababayan natin na interesado talagang matutunan yung stock investing. At by the way guys, for those who do not know, I have some mentorship program wherein I teach newbies or amateurs how to trade the market. Either via price action trading or via indicators, or I can also teach you investing. And I do have also some weekly stock updates. So weekly stock update, I am releasing a couple of stocks which are good for mid-term investing and long-term investing and swing trading. But I don't unfortunately recommend day trading because it's not my style and I don't have really time to make day trades. At remember also that I have posted a while ago, which I think will be useful to everyone. So sinabi ko dito on my post that, saan na yun? Right? Yes. So, hindi yan. Ayan. So the amount of screen time you allocate in trading does not define your success. Successful and wealthy traders do even have only 1 or 2 trades in a week or in a month. But in every trade, there is an underlying strategic plan, right setup, and proper mindset. So you should learn how to increase your learning time than your screen time. When the market is down like now, especially yung PSE is down, we have to use that time or take advantage of that time to learn more rather than focusing on the screen and becoming emotionally affected while your stock is going down. All right, so that's it for today, guys. So let me know, guys, kung if you are interested about my mentorship program or my weekly stock updates or consultation. Consultation, by the way, are for those guys who wants to ask and advice from me, one-on-one session, or I can also do some recording about that and just give it to you. Right, so for those things that I'm telling you now, you can just simply visit my Stock Mentor Neil page. You just need to go to Facebook and type in Stock Mentor Neil page, and then there you go. You will see this Stock Mentor Neil page, and then go to shop, and then you will now see those services that I'm offering to make you more improve or make you more better trader, a better investor, either in the Philippine market or the US market. All right, guys, so there's nothing else that I can say now. I just would like to wish you a good and a good weekend. All right, till next time, and just follow my Facebook page and get updated to my next live session. All right, thanks again for participating. God bless to all of you.